Tutor Couture. My name is Deborah Aungiers. I'm going to start by telling you a bit about myself and my background in the fashion trade. I started playing with fabric and a sewing machine when I was about 8, and my mother introduced me to her hand-operated singer. By the time I was about 11, I was making most of my own clothes and masses of dolls' clothes for my sisters and anyone else who wanted them, in fact. Ended up eventually, after school, at the London College of Fashion, where I did a 3-year course in fashion design and industrial production. And it was great. I loved it. It was enormous fun. Got a job just before I graduated, actually. I was really lucky, with a couturier called Donald Campbell, and he was based in Chelsea in London. So I worked for him for a year or so and learned a lot. From there I went to a supplier of Marks and Spencer, and I was with them for about 3 years designing children's wear and ladies' dresses. It was an enormous buzz when I saw racks of little skirts down in the Marble Arch store the first time one of my ideas went into mass production. Eventually, around about 1982, I think, I went freelance and was based from home, where I started to design and make all sorts of things for private clients, from wedding dresses to ball gowns to cocktail wear, special occasion wear, right through to day wear. So it can be from the simple to the really grand stuff. And I also did a certain amount of theatrical work as well. So I've had a checkered history, if you like, of making things for film, such as the early Harry Potter films. 1 or 2 of the early Bond movies, I did bits and pieces for those. That was enormous fun. Less impressive was making shirts for Mr. Blobby from Noel Edmonds' house party. But hey, you have to do these things. I have now got a huge workroom, very well equipped with a lot of fantastic big space, and running classes in a lot of aspects of dress design, making, pattern cutting, whether it's draping on the stand or flat pattern cutting. And it's beginning to fill up very nicely.